Are you an agency? Well, then you need a portfolio page, because at the end of the day, whatever you're looking for out of a customer, they want to see in you when they go to your landing page. So in this video, I'm going to dive into how we at Testimonial.to can make a super easy portfolio page that'll book you calls in minutes. So if you are on our premium plan, you can get the portfolio page, and it's actually really simple to set up. I have my own website with like a portfolio page and a bunch of different reviews set up. However, it does cost a fair amount of money to manage your own website and keep everything up, and it is just a more difficult issue than you'd imagine. But I do have a lot of really great writing set up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this main section, and I'm going to go to this page to show you my example portfolio I can set up. I'm going to make it about me, which is going to be about my company. So rather than it being an agency for just one person, I'm going to have it say SaaS marketing agency. I'm going to call it Rise Productive. And I'm going to say about us. And then I'm going to paste this text out. And as you'll see very quickly, we have essentially what is my getting started for a basic portfolio page. Now from there, you could add your XURL and your LinkedIn URL for your company. And on top of that, I would definitely recommend putting in a logo. So I'm going to go find my logo really quick. All right. So now we have the logo put in there. Awesome. So as you can see, this is a great starting point. In a portfolio page, you want everyone to see not only what you are about, but what you actually do. So nice enough, inside of our content is what I'm going to write here. But inside of this, we can actually grab our wall of love, and I'm going to add a carousel slider. I'm going to have autoplay go, and I'm going to make sure that there is a show more button for long text. All right, so I'm gonna press select here. And what you'll see is if I just get a little bit of a preview here by viewing the portfolio page, we're getting a good start here by seeing all of these great showcases of the product that we've produced. Now, I'm actually probably gonna adjust this, and that's the nice thing about this. You can change this to be like masonry fixed if you want. I'm just gonna press select here, and I think this looks a little better. So let's view it again. And what we have is a showcase of all of our different videos that we've created, right? So it's essentially a real portfolio page. And that's the crazy thing about this product. I have an embeddable portfolio in seconds. Now, I don't need to have more than, let's say, 5 testimonials show at a time. And these aren't really testimonials. Obviously, I can have testimonials, but this is more literally a portfolio showcasing things, which I think is pretty cool. It's like a literal portfolio page of the production that we have as a content agency. And then from there, with a call to action, we can simply add a let's work together. And I don't have a Calendly link. I personally use Morgan, but you can actually custom embed whatever kind of link you want. And as you can see here, when I paste that out, what we have is the discovery call. Now, if I go to the view portfolio, this is the entirety of what it could look like. We have a home section at the top, which is mentioning what the company is, the about us, it showcases the content, and then someone can easily book a discovery call. They can check out all of the content by clicking on the theater mode to get a cleaner look at it. They can open up any of these other videos, take a look at it. It's very cool. This is such a simple and easy thing to have, and you can have as many of these as you have spaces. And you can also, if you go back to Testimonial.to, you can tweak the URL a little bit so you can configure a specific route as well. So it doesn't have to be for all the wall of love. It can be very specific based on the current testimonials that you have in there. I definitely recommend trying this out if you are a content agency though, or any type of agency, as it'll show the world what you have to offer and what people are saying about you. But so with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.